Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. This week we're focusing on a 4-bedroom bungalow with a modern feel. This facade of this particular home is of the box nature to emphasize on the modern look. And at the front, what you see is the garage, the entryway, and then the kitchen yard. And as you move to the back of the house, you get the double volume lounge that leads to the backyard. And for this house in particular, most of the living is actually done in the backyard. So as you could tell, it does not have a front porch, but it does have a back porch. Now that's the difference in this design from the other ones that I've posted earlier. So at the front, you only have the entryway that then leads to this back section here. As you can see, it's the lounge and dining that then leads out into the porch, which now leads to the backyard with all the green space. So this is the back of the house. As you can see, the timber accents actually give this facade more of the modern look. And of course, the corner windows also add to the appeal. And the corner windows, as I stated in earlier videos, provide more daylight into the houses. The facade is mostly of textured paint, natural stone, and the timber accents, which is more of like a wooden composite for durability and low maintenance. So as you can see, that's a kitchen yard there. And then this is the entryway with a garage. So that's the entrance there. And once you get in, that is what you see. When we head to the garage section, this is the garage area. It's a 2-car parking. And then as you move in, you get your storage area there. That's a store for like gardening equipment, tools, and anything really. And then this door here is what leads to the main house from the garage. Then of course here you have the entry lobby, as usual, where you can hang your coats, store your shoes. And as you move forward there, you get into the double volume lounge, which is what you have there. And then you have your dining area that then has a sliding door that leads to the outside. Now for this house, one of the major design features is the indoor-outdoor flow. So that means that you have indoor living spaces which flow out into the outdoor area, which is what you have here. From the dining, you can access the sliding door that will lead into this back porch here, and then has plenty of backyard space that can be used for parties, afternoon grills, anything you want really. And then from the dining section, you get into this kitchen area here. where you have some seating, breakfast counter sitting here. With the kitchen there. And then you have your laundry area there, and then your pantry section right here. So if we look at the plan in totality, this is what you see. Before we move any further, let me take you through the plan in totality. So as I stated, the garage, the entry point there, the dining that leads to the outside, and then the double volume lounge there. And then you have your kitchen, which is open with a breakfast nook right there. And then also has this section here, which is the pantry, and then the laundry area. And from the kitchen, you can then get out and access the kitchen yard, which is that section there. And as usual for the kitchen yard, then you have the gas cage and the Dobby sink right outside. And then now this is the more private part of the house. So first there, you have the cloakroom. The cloakroom there, which has a sink. There's a sink inside and a sink outside. As I usually state in my videos, it's best to have one sink inside and one sink outside. So this sink here can also be used for washing hands when you come into the house. So if you're dining there, you can wash your hands there and proceed. And as you move further in, you have this room here, which is a bedroom, a guest bedroom, and it could also be used as an office depending on your needs. And as you proceed further down, then you have bedroom 1 here and then bedroom 2 with the shared facilities right in the middle. So this is the bathroom that has the toilet and the shower cabin and a vanity sink right there. So this bathroom here is shared by bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and possibly bedroom 3 if you're using it as a bedroom instead of an office. And when you proceed further down, then you enter into the master. So that is the master right there, with the corner window that I was talking about, with some corner seating, and then with its ensuite bathroom. So that's what you have there, with the vanity sink, the toilet, and the shower cabin. So that is the bird's eye view of this particular house. And as you noticed, I stated that the front yard is used for the kitchen, which will be separated by a wall right there. So you only have the entry, an entry that leads into the house and into the backyard. And also this backyard can be accessed via this path here from the front. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for anything you like about this house, anything you would change about the design so that we can educate ourselves. And as usual, live large.